So right here, as I've made my way down from the surface there, about 5 feet up, we have the most recognizable evidence for the stone footers that would have made up the very foundations of the previous bridge or culvert system that existed here before the 1940s era New York State Department of Public Works bridge. And here we have other foundation stones. You can see some of them are quite large, like this one, a few inches thick, a good 7 inches thick right there, and mixed up with other ones that were jostled loose from the excavation process of the 1940s culvert. And in the process of doing that, they've excavated out these much older bits of the intersections past. And so with some bits of your rebar from later on sort of mixing in, you see another one right there. All this was foundation stone material in this area here, where you see this Medina sandstone. It might be Medina sandstone, at least for the most part, all stacked up here. And if we take a step back, we can observe the layering process. 1, 2, 3 layers discernible in this formation right here. And as part of the structure, there probably would have been wooden, railroad ties like structure making up the old bridge. Some variation thereof. So there you go. All right, this is Justin Higner, Wheatfield Town Historian, July 21st, 2024.